The leaves of a plant play an important role in the production of food through photosynthesis and gas exchange. Meet Zikona. She will take you through making some unbelievable art. First, let's look at the different parts to the leaf. I will highlight some of the main features. In the center there is the main vein, called the midrib. The other veins branching off the main vein are just called veins. If you take a closer look, you will notice that there are some tiny lines branching off these veins. Those are called veinlets. The outer edge of the leaf is called the margin. At the very top point to the leaf, you'll usually see a little curve or a bend. This point is called the leaf apex. The part connecting the leaf to the stem is called the leaf stalk. It's good to remember these names, so next time you're outside, you can try and identify them from the leaves you find. Right, let's get into this activity. You will need various leaves, shapes and sizes, some craft paint, paint brushes, and some paper. Color paper is optional. Before any artwork is done, planning is the very first step. To plan your artwork, simply pick out the different leaves and sizes you want to use. You may also pick out a few paints that you will want to use. With a brush or even your finger, paint the back or the front of the leaf. Do you see or feel the veins? Try comparing the veins of different plants. Now that we've painted one side, simply turn it over and carefully stamp it onto the paper. Go ahead and make more leaf stamps. Experiment with making different patterns using different colors and shapes. Thanks so much for watching. Please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. And remember, always question, always wonder.